Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to cover my number 2 favorite hand tool to use while wood splitting. So if you want to find out, stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video.
Alright, so welcome back. Here I have my favorite firewood handling tool and favorite tool I like to use while wood splitting or handling logs. This is my number 1 tool, but this video will be about my number 2 tool. My second favorite tool is right here. This is the Timber Tuff Timber Claw. I have 2 different sizes. I have the 16-inch and I have the 24-inch. And that's to accommodate different size logs. So essentially you use this as a handle or a hook on either end of a log to pick up the log and to bring it to another location. So as you're wood splitting and you need to pick up a larger size log, such as this one right here, or any of these in front of me, they're pretty large. So this is where the Timber Claw comes in handy, because you'll just go ahead and attach each side of the hook to an end of the log and then lift up. I will go ahead and demonstrate this in a better fashion once I get the camera out of my hand, but you get the idea. The points on this are very sharp, so be very careful. This is not a toy and it will hurt you. So essentially you're going to spear each end of the log and then pull up on it, and as you're pulling up, it's going to dig into the face of the log and help you pick it up. That way you can transport it to wherever you need to go. I use this while I'm wood splitting because as I'm digesting the logs and splitting them and processing them, I need to pick up bigger logs to get them over to the wood splitter. So I will use this Timber Claw as a handle to help with that. It really comes in handy, and that's why it's my second favorite tool. Obviously my number 1 tool is the pickaroon, hookaroon, whichever one you want to call it, but it's always good to have a variety of tools in your arsenal to help you with a more efficient use of time and to get the job done quicker. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off the video with clips of me using the Timber Claw and using it while processing firewood. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Happy splitting.
Well guys, that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments, please place them right down below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.